Hi friends, during this lockdown period I'm just trying to explore different kinds of arts. So one of the Madhubani art was really exciting, and for many days I was trying to get time to draw a Madhubani art. So this painting has attracted me, and here I am trying to combine peacock and a fish, who are the symbols of beauty in the nature. And so here I am with the first stage. I am drawing it initially, and then later on I will darken the borders using black marker pen. So this is the peacock. I have finished with drawing almost, and now I will be darkening the borders, and I will put some designs inside the peacock and fish. So you need minimum number of colors in the Madhubani art. So friends, here I have drawn a peacock. As you can see, I explained earlier that this is Madhubani art, and now I am making the borders dark using a black marker pen. You can use a thinner pen also. You can use any color you want. Actually, Madhubani art or mandala art, they require minimum number of colors, but you can use as many colors as you want. So you can say I have completed 50% of the picture. So friends, see how beautiful it is looking with just one black border. And now I'm trying to beautify the feathers of peacock. It's very simple. I have chosen a very simple design that we usually use in mehendi also. Okay, so this is how you make it black, then make a border around it and little bit longer petals like this, and just add some more so that it looks like feathers of. You can use any colors you want. If you want to make use of blue and purple and green here, that will look more beautiful. Actually, in this lockdown period I couldn't get many colors, so I am making use of whatever I have right now available at home. But still, peacock is naturally beautiful, so any color you can use. So draw this little bit longer. Just try to make it as easy as possible, and the more easy you draw, it looks more beautiful. Now you can see we almost have done this. See, this is the beautiful peacock and fish combination. And now we are almost at the end of the drawing. That is, now we will just put these lines in all the borders. We have drawn the borders in a double form, so let us just beautify. So this is the way we are doing it. So as the shape goes, you may draw these small lines so that it goes with the shape. So this is a beautiful fish we have, you can see. And the same thing you can do with these feathers also. Just try to beautify it. It's very simple, it's very easy, but still it's very beautiful. So similarly you can finish it, do it for all the feathers like this. So I have designed the border also. You can see in every border I have put small lines in all the feathers also. So we are at the end of this segment now. So you can see 90% work is done here. So this is the way as the shape goes. You can just put the lines. See how beautiful it looks. See, so this is the peacock and fish combination using Madhubani art. Now in this background you can put any color of your choice. Orange, green, whichever color you like. It should not be very gaudy because we have used black color, so it should look bright, vibrant. So you can make use of orange color also. I feel green also will look nice. So I will color the background and then we'll see how it looks. See, now as I said that we can fill the background in any color of our choice, so I thought I will fill it using orange color. And now looking at the beautiful peacock and fish, my son also wants to color it, so he said he will fill the color. So very happily I have given him so that he can also explore the same joy and see how beautiful it is looking. And see the way how delicately he is coloring. He's just 9 years old, but he is very careful and he is very interested in drawings. So during this COVID-19 corona setback that the whole world is experiencing, I thought this is one of the stress busters. Even children can draw and enjoy. So drawing always gives you pleasure. So this is the way you can feel the color. So friends, you can see the whole background is been colored by orange color and it is looking so vibrant. So only two colors we have used, black and orange. Still both the animals are looking so beautiful. We have not used their natural colors. So this is the beauty of Madhubani art. And as I said earlier, my son who is 9 years old, Arush, he has colored the whole background and he has not made a single mistake in that. So I'm so happy and thankful to him for contributing to this picture. And we could enjoy in the lockdown period also. This has been a stress buster for me during the lockdown period, so you also can enjoy in the same way, explore your qualities and enjoy. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel GMA. You will enjoy more videos to come. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.